Meditate to feel great.
Hello world, this is Wendy Treynor, and today our inspirational quote is, "Your essential nature is eternal." Once upon a time, you may have been swinging on a tree, shiny and carefree, and then one day something happened. Maybe you fell off your tree of joy and bliss into a traveling cart, and soon you discovered yourself in an unwanted situation, and you began to lose faith in yourself and think, gosh, I used to be shiny and free. What happened to me? Well, I'm here to tell you the truth, which is that your essential nature is eternal. That wonderful, shiny, free, joyful you that used to swing carefreely from the branches of that tree is still deep inside you. It's inside you, waiting for you to uncover it, unleash it, let it out. All you have to do is clear away the cobwebs of negative emotion to remember the love and joy you are. Take a walk in nature, climb a mountain, climb a tree, jump in the ocean, jump in the sea. Get your hair wet, get dirty, feel like a child again. Play, be joyful, let your inner child out. And soon you will discover that you are an apple that is hanging back on that tree in the sunshine, carefree, that she or he was always in your heart, and that now is the time to free that one, to start, to free that true, essential being that you are, to start. Now is the time. Namaste. And if you like today's quote, you'll love my upcoming book called The Gift of Cancer, Turn Your Tragedy into a Treasure. You can find out more at icanheal.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye. Hello world, this is Wendy Treynor. Are you wanting to start a meditation practice, but you're not sure where to begin? Allow me to accompany you on your healing journey back to yourself, back to wholeness, happiness, and health. I will guide you back to yourself as you practice body and breath work, transcending the mind and releasing negative emotion that's been stored inside you for too long a time. Now you will feel like a radiant, shining star as you begin to remember and experience the love and joy you are. Meditation is a gift that only you can give yourself, so why not? Why not take this opportunity to learn from the Dr. Wendy elf? Before it's too late, as Wendy loves to meditate. And there are many people who would love to work with Wendy one-on-one, and she would love to join and have all the fun. But she must choose with discretion those with the most sincere expression of wanting to learn the truth of who they are and all that is. If you have an interest in signing up with Wendy as your inspirational meditational teacher, email Dr. Wendy at icanheal.com. No period, DRWENDY at icanheal.com. And I look forward to working with you and guiding you back to yourself on your healing journey.